In this video, we will simplify radical expressions. When we simplify a square root, we want to see if a perfect square is a factor of the radicand. Let's look at A, square root of 50. 50 can be seen as 25 times 2, where 25 is a perfect square. Now we can write this one radical as the product of two radicals using the product rule, like this. And we know square root of 25 is 5. So to simplify, square root of 50 is 5 square root of 2. Now let's look at B, square root of 24. So first we want to see if there's any perfect square in 24. Okay, I know 4 is a perfect square, and 24 can be factored as 4 times 6. So this 4 can actually come out of the square root as a 2. So the answer is 2 square root of 6. So now C, square root of 48. Okay, first of all, I know 4 is a factor of 48. So I can write 48 as 4 times 12. So this 4 can come out as a 2. So 2 square root of 12. But we're not done yet because 12 has a factor of 4. So we can keep simplifying square root of 12. So I will write 12 as 4 times 3. Because this 4 is a perfect square, it can come out as a 2. And it will multiply the 2 outside the radical. So outside 2 times 2 is 4. 4 square root of 3 is the answer. Of course, if you see at the beginning 48 is 16 times 3, where 16 is the square of 4, you can just take it out. So that's one step for square root of 3. But if you can't see it in one step, you can do it in 2 steps. That's perfectly fine. Now let's look at D, square root of 26. Okay, we want to see if there's any perfect square in 26. Well, if you factor 26, 26 is 2 times 13. That's it. And neither 2 or 13 is a perfect square. Right? So square root of 26 cannot be simplified. Or it's already simplified. Now pause the video and work on these 4 problems. When you're done, click play and check the answers. Here are the answers. Square root of 20, since 20 can be factored as 4 times 5, so this 4 can come out as a 2, so the answer is 2 square root of 5. B, square root of 32. First of all, I know 32 is 4 times 8, so you can do 4 times 8. This 4 can come out as a 2, 2 square root of 8. However, 8 has another perfect square 4 in it, so 8 can be factored as 4 times 2, so this 4 can come out as another 2. So 2 times 2 on the outside is 4. 4 square root of 2 is the answer. Of course, if you see it in the first step, 32 is 16 times 2. You can just do it in one step. All right, number 4, C. 4 square root of 27. First of all, 27 has a perfect square in it, which is 9. So 9 is 3 squared. I will cross it out and take 3 out. So 3 times the 4 on the outside is 12. 12 square root of 3 is the answer. D, square root of 30. Square root of 30, Well, 30 is 5 times 6, while 6 is 2 times 3. Okay, so 30 is 5 times 2 times 3. There's not really any perfect square in it, so square root of 30 cannot be simplified. Or we can say it's already simplified. I hope you got them all correct, and see you in the next video.